behalf of Hussain Pathak School. We are learning parts of speech, student. In our parts of speech series, today we are going to learn about conjunction. So let's discuss about what is conjunction, its type, and punctuation rule about conjunction. Students, in board exam you have one question, put correct punctuation mark in the sentence or paragraph. At that time this point is very useful to you, so be careful and give attention here. So let's start. What is conjunction? Conjunction is a word that connect the two words, phrases and sentences. What is conjunction? Conjunction connect two words, sometimes to verbs, to noun, to phrases, to clauses, to sentences. It is called conjunction. Let's see the example. My pen is either on the table or in my bed. Can you tell me what is conjunction here? Yes, either or. It connects two clause, noun clause, on the table or in my bed. In second sentence, when you come to school, you must wear mask and gloves. Here, and is a conjunction and it connects two words. Students, conjunction connect two words, to verb. If I say I can write and read, here I connect two verb. Sometimes you can connect two subject. My father or my mother will come to school. Here I connect subject with conjunction or. So the conjunction is a word that connects to verb, to words, to phrases, to sentence and to clause. Not only two but more also. Okay, so hope you can understand what is conjunction. And let's see the types of conjunction. Mainly we have four types of conjunction. Let's see one by one. Coordinating conjunction. Which are coordinating conjunction? And, or, but, so, yet, for, not, etc. Sometimes for or nor is used as a preposition, but sometimes they use as a conjunction also. Second type is subordinating conjunction. They are because, after, although, etc. Here, etc. Correlative conjunction. What is correlative conjunction? Correlative conjunction is pair of words. Whenever you see conjunction as a pair of words, it is called correlative conjunction. Either or, neither nor, both and, not only, but also, etc. they are correlative conjunction. Conjunctive adverbs. Sometimes conjunction act as an adverb, so it is called conjunctive adverbs. They are like however, therefore, in addition, etc. Students, don't be scared after seeing the types of conjunction. It is not important for us to remember the name of conjunction, but it's for just information. The most important is for you that you have to remember the rule about punctuation. So let's start our rule. Rule number 1. What is the rule number 1? Any two words or phrase, no comma. Whenever you connect by coordinating conjunction, any two words or phrases, there are no need commas. First rule is about coordinating conjunction. So remember that whenever you connect by coordinating conjunction like and, or, but, so, yet, at that time, no comma. If you have two words or phrase only. Mary's school is beautiful and spacious. Here you can see only two words as an adjective, beautiful and spacious. Do you work in a library or a hospital? Here also two words, so no comma. But if you have more than two words, at that time comma is necessary. Like we need to buy sugar, butter, flour and vanilla extract to make the cake. Students, here we make mistake. Whenever we have more than two words, at that time we have to put comma after each word, and most important is that whenever your last word is vanilla extract, and whenever you put and, before and you have to put comma also. Here we make mistake in exam. So remember this thing. Whenever you put and, at that time before and you have also put comma. Without comma you cannot write properly. It's not a true. You can lose your 1 mark or half marks here if it's a question for punctuation. So remember this thing. The first rule is if we have two words or phrase, no need to comma, but if we have more than two words, we need comma, and before and we have to put comma. Let's see our second rule. Rule number second. Independent clause, comma, and, but, or, so, yet, and again independent clause. Ramon gifted his mother an iPad for her birthday, comma, and she loved it. See students, here, what is independent clause? You have a question. Is right. Whenever the sentence has a subject and verb and create a sentence, it is called clause. But here is an independent clause. That means it is no need for other sentence. See, Ramon gifted his mother an iPad for her birthday. You can say this like birthday. यहाँ तक इसे इंटरेस्ट and she loved it. Whenever you connect the sentence with and, but, or, so, yet, you have to put comma before conjunction. And we can go to the movie, comma, or we can clean the house. Here you can see that it's independent clause. But if I say we can go to the movie or clean the house, at that time no need to put comma. But if we say we can clean the house, it's an independent clause. So whenever you connect the two independent clause with and, but, or, so, or, yet, you have to put comma before conjunction. See, third sentence. Mr. Khan made a bad investment and lost all his savings. सब यहाँ पे made a bad investment और lost his saving. यहाँ पे जो दो सेंटेंस है, here दो सेंटेंस is connected with and, but it's not an independent clause. One is dependent and one is independent. So it's a investment and lost all his saving. Hope you can understand this. The rule number 2 is whenever you connect two independent clause, at that time put comma before conjunction. Third rule is dependent clause, comma, then independent clause. Or we can say that if you write independent clause first, at that time no need to put comma and then dependent clause. Which conjunction you use for rule number 3? Because, although, so, that, before, after, if, whether, unless, until and whenever. Let's see. After Kavita gets home from work. If I say after Kavita gets home from work, you will ask the question, what after? So, it is a independent clause. After indicates independent clause. What after? After she likes to watch TV for an hour. So whenever you connect with because, although, so, there, before, after, if, whether, unless, until, or whenever, at that time, if you write the dependent clause first, you have to put comma after dependent clause and then you have to write independent clause. See, you can write this sentence likewise. Kavita likes to watch TV for an hour after she gets home from work. Here we have write dependent clause after independent clause. So no need to put comma. Yes. Not only for after. You can write before, till, until, if. The rule is same for all the conjunction. Fourth is ऐसे मतलब independent clause, semicolon, however, therefore, फिर comma और independent clause. See, students, rule number 4 is very important. Independent clause, full stop. You can say period also. However or therefore, you have to write a capital. However or therefore after full stop, then comma and independent clause. Let's see example. Chris loves living in Mumbai. However, see, if you write his wife hates the traffic and the pollution. Chris loves living in Mumbai. Here, full stop. If you want to make a small sentence, then you have to put full stop. Then, however, then comma, his wife hates the traffic and pollution. Chris loves living in Mumbai, comma, his wife, comma, however, here is a full stop. His wife, comma, however, comma, hates the traffic and pollution. And if you want to write conjunction in last, Chris loves living in Mumbai, full stop. His wife hates the traffic and the pollution with comma and however. Don't be confused and scared after seeing 4 types of sentence, but practice it. Practice makes men perfect. Students, only one example, we cannot get the rule. You have to practice more and more, and then you can know about it. You have to remember that if you connect the sentence and if you want to put a full stop, then you have to write a conjunction in capital and you have to put comma. In mostly we use 2 types, this first and second. In high level English you can see 4 types. If you want to make somewhat difficult your writing, you can use this 2. And whenever you use in writing portion, use this easy language. So your grammatical mistakes cannot cut your marks. So use these 2 types and read the sentence carefully. Pause the video and see the sentence. Students, we have learned 4 rules about punctuation. First one, let's see. First one is whenever you have 2 words or 2 phrases, there is no need to put comma, but you have the list of words. At that time, you have to put comma after each word and before conjunction also. The second rule is independent clause. If you want to write independent clause and connect the sentence by using and, but, or, so, yet, at that time you have to put comma before conjunction. And third is, if you write a dependent clause first at that time, after dependent clause you have to put comma and then you can write independent clause. And fourth is, if you write independent clause, then when you use the rule, I have written some words in bracket. Rule number, yes, the third rule है वो आप यहाँ पे use कर सकते हैं. You can use this, and with rule number 4 you can use this word. Independent clause, semicolon, however, therefore, and comma, then independent clause. If you want to make the sentence separate, then independent clause, full stop, and however or therefore or conjunction, and first letter is capital and then comma and independent clause. Hope you can understand this and you use this rule whenever you write English, and properly use this rule to correct the sentence and punctuation in your exam. You have 4 marks for this So keep in mind and repeat and practice. Practice makes me perfect. In this role, you have to practice more and more. If you want sentence for practice, let me know. I will give you some sentence. If you want to practice, put punctuation using this rule. Thank you.